What I like here is the energy shown from the Karnataka Bulldozers player. That's Karthik. He's really using his shoulders, bending his back. Got a man at short extra cover for the right-hander Pillai on strike.
Again on the spot, Karthik. It's been an even start by both teams. Kerala strikers will be happy with the position they are in. They've got in 7 runs and over. They haven't lost a wicket. Rakendu and Pillai slowly getting their eye in.
Once again just nudging it on the onside. Yeah, along with a good start, they also have to keep in mind they don't lose too many wickets up front. That's going to be very important for Kerala strikers. We were mentioning about the balance that Karnataka Bulldozers do have. They possess as far as the bowling unit is concerned. So it's going to be imperative not to lose too many wickets up front, especially in the first 10 overs. Karnataka Bulldozers, of course, were bulldozing at this stage, 26 without loss after 2.3 overs. If you compare both the teams, once again streaky, not very convincing. Lucky escape for the batsman on that occasion. Rakendu almost trying to close the bat face. Last delivery 125.6. He's bowling in that channel. Started off with 123.3. So he can garner some pace. Karthik. No, also as far as Kerala strikers are concerned, Rohan, they need a few boundaries in the first 6 overs that during the power play. Because so far, the 3rd over in progress, just managing one boom chika wawa shot. They do need a few boundaries the first 6 overs.
And just as you mentioned, Ajay, Pillai obliges. Straight over the bowler's head for a boundary. That's a good way to end the over. It's 20 for no loss after 3.